Oi, my name is Priscilla, and today we're gonna make some beefy ahoy. And for that, we're gonna need some very thin steak. You wanna make this really thin, and you can ask your butcher to cut it for you. This cut, I am using the top round. We're gonna need also some vegetables. Here I am using carrots and green beans, and I'm also using some thin slices of bacon. 1.5 onions that I chopped up, diced. 1 tomato, also diced. 4 garlic cloves. I diced them up and then I smashed them with this, how do you call this?
Mortar and pestle?
Mortar and pestle?
Yeah.
Some toothpicks, very important. And 1 cube of vegetable bouillon. 1 small can of tomato paste. And here I have also some bacon that I diced. I cut this in half and I kept like the pieces that had more meat on it. And the pieces that had more fat, I diced them because I'm gonna use that. And here it's some leeks and some parsley, some salt, pepper, some garlic powder, and crushed red pepper. And that's it. So let's get started. So now we're gonna do the roll-ups. So here you can use pretty much whatever kind of filling you feel like. So instead of the bacon, you could use a sausage, a kielbasa. For the veggies, you could use also asparagus. I think that would taste really good. You could use a bell pepper. It would taste really good too. Here I am using green beans and carrots. And then for roll them, you gotta make sure that they are very tight. So as you roll it, you gotta pull and make sure it's very tight. And when you finish to roll them up, you just place the toothpick across the meat. And there you go. You got your beef ahoy or your beef roll-up, whatever you want to call them. So for this recipe, I'm going to use the pressure cooker. The reason for that is that this is a dish where the meat is supposed to be super tender. And I could use a slow cooker, but I don't have much time. And dinner needs to be ready soon. So we're just gonna go ahead and use the pressure cooker. So that is it. I hope you like this recipe, and if you liked it, please leave your thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and hopefully we're gonna be posting some more Brazilian recipes for you guys.